In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your x.com or Twitter login history in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful security check if you want to see where your account is logged in, spot any unfamiliar devices, or make sure your account is only active on the devices you trust. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Let's get right into it. First, open X in your browser or on your device and make sure you're signed into the account you want to review. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click More. This is where X keeps a lot of the extra account and privacy options that are not shown in the main menu. After you click More, a list of options will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage your account, security, privacy, notifications, and more. Since we're checking login history, we want to focus on the security area. Next, click Security and Account Access. This is the section that controls account safety, connected apps, and session activity. Once you open it, choose Apps and Sessions. This is the area where X shows your active sessions and any app access connected to your account. Now, under the Sessions tab, you will see a list of all devices and locations currently logged into your account. This is the important part. You may see entries for your phone, your laptop, your browser, or any other device that has access to your X account. Each session can show useful details like the device type and the approximate location, so you can review everything carefully. Take a moment to look through the list and make sure you recognize every device and location. If something looks unfamiliar, that could mean someone else has access to your account, or it could simply be a device or browser you forgot about. Either way, this is the place where you can catch it early and take action. If everything looks normal, then you're done. But if you do notice anything suspicious, it's a good idea to secure your account right away by changing your password and reviewing any connected apps or active sessions. Checking your login history regularly is one of the easiest ways to stay in control of your X account and protect your privacy. And that's how you check x.com or Twitter login history. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.